Hi, I'm Sujata, Group Personality and Mindset Coach, and today I have a question for you. Have you ever kept editing the same reel 5 times or hesitated to post a story because it didn't look professional enough? Yes? Maybe you have been sitting on an idea where for months waiting for the perfect time to launch. If yes, let me tell you something with love. Perfectionism is not helping you. It's silently killing your confidence and dreams. And today I want to talk about how to finally break free from it. Let's be honest, perfectionism is sneaky. It wears a mask of ambition. It pretends to be strength. We think, I just want to get it right. I want to make it better. It's not ready yet, but deep underneath it's a fear. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of not being good enough. And what does this fear make you do? You procrastinate on what really matters. You keep tweaking, editing, polishing, but never publishing. You leave dreams half built because your inner critic won't let you move. You think you are being productive, but you are just stuck in a loop of over preparing. Sound familiar? My 80% rule mindset shift. I want to introduce you to something that completely changed how I work, or I show up, or even as a coach. It's called the 80% rule. The mindset says don't aim for perfect, aim for progress, because 80% done and out in the world, it's always better than 100% perfect sitting in your drafts folder. Here's how to use it. Take imperfect action every single time. That video doesn't need to be polished. It needs to be posted. That blog doesn't need 10 rereads. It needs a publish button. Perfect blogs progress. Imperfect action builds momentum. Use a 25-minute timer hack. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus on one thing. When the timer goes off, you either finish or move on. This stops over editing and forces action over analysis. Celebrate completion, not perfection. Instead of asking, did I do it perfectly? Ask, did I show up? Did I move forward? Reward yourself for finishing something, for following through. That builds confidence. What happens when you drop perfectionism? When you drop perfectionism, here is what starts to happen. You actually start finishing things. You stop fearing judgment because you trust your message. You begin to grow faster because you learn by doing. It's like taking the brakes off your creativity. You start showing up not as someone trying to be flawless, but as someone who's real, consistent, and courageous. Because people don't connect with perfect. They connect with real. They connect with your energy, your truth, your presence, and your dream. It doesn't need polish. It needs momentum. If you have been caught in the trap of waiting for the right time, the right words, the perfect plan, I want you to pause right now and comment progress over perfect below. Let's that be your declaration today. And if you are ready to break this pattern in your life, take bold, messy, beautiful steps towards your dream. Take my free self-worth assessment and apply for one-on-one clarity session with me. Let's work together to help you stop overthinking and start executing. The link is in the description. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present and courageous enough to begin.